Welcome to the haunted Tiki, where the torches never die. Raise a mug beneath the moonlight, watch the restless spirits fly. Every drink's an adventure, every night a mystery. Step inside if you dare. The haunted Tiki. 40 years of chasing whispers, searching truth where shadows creep. Not every story earns believing. Some are buried far too deep. Your guide to the unknown, the original Tiki Ghoul.
Hello, and welcome to the Haunted Tiki. My name is Tony, and I am the original Tiki Ghoul. This is our very first episode, and many more to come. Thank you for joining us today. I will be bringing you tiki cocktails from Trader Vic, down the Beachcomber, and many other amazing bartenders and places. But with a twist, this series will be called Ghosts and Spirits. We are standing at my home bar where we decided to build our very first tiki bar. We started this adventure a few years ago, and we decided to call it the Haunted Tiki. There is a reason behind our name. I have been investigating the paranormal for well over 39 years. How does one get to that, you may ask? Well, I grew up in Venice, California, 6 blocks from the beach. The house I used to live in turned out to be very, very haunted. Most of my childhood friends at the time were too afraid to play at my house. My entire family would experience activity on a daily basis. I had questions as a kid, lots and lots of questions that no one could answer. So, in my teenage years, I started poking around at the library, looking up ghosts and hauntings. That is where it all began. Here we are today, still investigating after all these years. I have worked with many different investigators throughout the years. My favorite investigator is obviously my wife, Mrs. Goulette. She's right behind the camera. She has brought a lot to the table. I have collected many haunted artifacts throughout the years. I have so many haunted objects, but ended up getting rid of most of them. But did I keep a few? So from time to time, the paranormal activity in our house does pick up. This is why we decided to call our bar the Haunted Tiki. So join us as we talk about the paranormal and enjoy some spirits as we dive into our love of tiki culture and the paranormal. I'm starting off this very first episode with an amazing cocktail book written by Jeff the Beach Bum Berry called The Grog Log. He is a renowned American cocktail historian, author, and tiki expert responsible for reviving vintage tropical drinks. He has uncovered, decoded, and published lost recipes from the 1930s and 1950s. We are going to be starting out the series of drinks by making each and every tiki cocktail from Jeff the Beach Bum Berry and his grog log in order. Our very first drink of the series of Ghosts and Spirits will be the Ancient Mariner. This drink is a reimagined tiki classic created by Berry himself, paying homage to Don the Beachcomber. We will be using 1 ounce Demerara rum. It calls for Eldorado 12. I don't have that. I'll be using Hamilton 86 Demerara River rum. 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum. I'm using Karuba. 3/4 ounce fresh lime juice. Make sure it's always fresh. Makes a big difference. 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. 1/4 of an ounce of pimento dram allspice from my favorite rum maker, Hamilton. We'll be shaking this cocktail with crushed ice and straight into a double old-fashioned glass. All right, so let's shake this up. Shake it up till it's nice and frosty. I'm using my favorite glass from Frankie's Tiki Room. Let's throw some ice into this bad boy. I'm using my favorite glass from Frankie's Tiki Room. Let's put a little mint in there. And that smells so good. And we're going to put a slice of lime. And here you go, the Ancient Mariner. I'll give it a try. Love that mint. Oh, that's good. Right off the bat, you can taste the Demerara rum. I like that a lot. I like Demerara. I am using the Demerara 86 for this drink. Mrs. Goulet, would you like to try it?
Sure.
There you go. Let's let her try. What do you think?
Oh, that's good. That's really good.
I should have made her one too, but next time. And that is the Ancient Mariner. I would love to hear everyone's thoughts on the paranormal. If you are a believer or non-believer, myself, I'm a huge skeptic. I am that guy where I have to see it and experience it for myself to believe it. I have seen so many things in my years investigating. From my personal experiences, I believe it wholeheartedly. There is so much in this world we do not know about. Trust me, I get the skeptics. There are TV shows out there that ruin it for a lot of people. I have no doubt in my mind when these paranormal TV shows first start off, the investigators are doing it for the right reasons and are true to themselves. Unfortunately, fame, money, producers take over and they end up focusing on money and ratings. Many of these shows are 100% scripted. I've been on a small TV show, done radio interviews, podcast, and spoken in seminars all over the place. I've turned down a TV show exactly because of that reason. I respectfully declined and went on my way to work with a small production company on a smaller show that aired in only one area where it filmed. Well, my friends, this is a great first drink and a great first episode. It's kind of weird looking at the camera, talking to myself. Mrs. Goulet. I hope to hear from all of you. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. I love questions, so if I get enough, I'll answer all of your questions during another episode. I do respond to all my personal messages. Thank you all again, and we will see you next time. From the Haunted Tiki, stay spooky, my friends. Enjoy. It's good.
Welcome to the Haunted Tiki.